Then pick another call. This might be the last one for the night so that we can shut down on time. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you very much for being in your program, and I have some questions for you.
What's your question?
I've been hearing about cancer for a long time and stuff like that. I want to know, can cancer be prevented? It happens. If it can be prevented, what ways can one prevent cancer? Is there something that one must do not to have cancer, or is that you just come and must treat it immediately, or can it be prevented before it happens to the person?
Fine. This caller is asking if cancer can be prevented. And yes, I want to tell you, your lifestyle is the number one factor. Cola revolution came in 1870, and it was around that year a German discovered white flour. And white flour was what they used in making bread, cake, pastry, and all the rest of that. And 30 years after, the first cancer was diagnosed, and it was traced back to cola revolution. And it was traced back to cola revolution. Since that time, human being has not had peace. That means what you eat is what you become. And that was why I gave an example of the young man I saw at an eatery years back that was buying and living on fast food. What do you eat? How do you eat your food? You see, we have been bamboozled. We have been told that all this fast food, cow food, all these things, they make life easier. People are so lazy nowadays, and that's where the problem comes from. So, when you eat well, you live well. Even when you are eating right, then you will be sickness free. When you are eating right, you'll be sickness free. That's a fact. Now, even your food, how do you select your food? That's the question. How do you select your food? You have to be able to know the food that you are going to eat. I gave examples here of I talked about 3 different vegetables last broadcast, and I talked about jute, which was called ewedu. I talked about bitter leaf, and I also talked about asparagus. These 3 vegetables, they work wonder. You see, when we talk to our people here, a professor here wrote something about jute, which they call ewedu, and what he wrote was appalling. He said, be very careful about ewedu, because when they make it, they use a broom, and the broom can be trapped inside it, and you can swallow it, it can burst your intestine. This is the same way people have been eating from generations. It's a different thing when you see a cup that is half full, and you say this is half less or half full. But the same ewedu was taken to another university for research in America, and today they discovered that it has anti-cancer properties, and they are returning it to us and as capsule today. We that have it, we are talking negatively about it, and those who doesn't have it, they came here to pick it, and they are now making a synthetic version of it so that they can make money out of it.